Hey guys, Washed Up Spencer here. We're going to take things inside today. It's raining here in Dallas, Texas, so we're going to give you kind of a preview of what our last week looked like outside of just what our normal Washed Up Wednesday would entail.
So since we're unable to be outside today due to the rain, we came across a few things this week that we wanted to highlight and show you guys a little bit of a peek behind the curtains of some of the other work we do outside of our Washed Up Wednesday. One of the first things we want to address is a vertical that many contractors, specifically in the exterior washing industry, may not have already considered, which is to team up with other contractors, specifically in the painting and staining categories. A lot of the work that we do is preparatory work that they have to end up charging for, and a lot of times doing improperly before a project ever starts. So if you're able to come in and properly soft wash these surfaces, you can actually prepare them in such a way that it would actually make their work last longer and look better longer. The second thing we want to highlight this week is a conversation we had with a local grocery store, something that we had observed to be a dirty Austin stone that could look much more beautiful. They had an organic growth running up the side of the building. In this scenario, we were essentially looking to pull them into the professional cleaning side. The maintenance director decided to rent a pressure washer, run down, grab a turbo nozzle, and try to pressure wash this himself. Unfortunately, what that led to was him actually basically writing his name in cursive down the side of the wall, blasting apart parts of those stone particulates and actually leaving quite a bit of evidence for why you shouldn't approach a stone or natural stone cleaning with a pressure washer unit.
So guys, another thing that we're working on here in the background little by little is a couple of different programs. So first program that we're kind of piecing together is for existing industry professionals. Maybe you're a power washer and you're looking at moving into the soft washing side. Maybe you're already soft washing and you see what we're doing and it just looks really easy. That's because we're developing our own products here. Not quite ready for sale to the public as of yet. We're doing some more fine tuning. We're making sure everything fits exactly what it is we want it to do, and then it'll be available for you guys. Also keep in mind, if you're looking to be an entrepreneur, not a bad business to get into. We've done very well for ourselves and we think that you can as well. We'll be setting up a program for that, step by step, what you need to do, every piece of it, little by little, to do exactly what it is we do.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Real excited about the journey that we're taking here. We look forward to sharing with you a little bit more about our story, how we got here, and what specifically we're going to be doing along this path to success, and some of the secrets we're going to share along the way. We'll see you next week.